Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A6x and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so the mode actually doesn't really matter right now because we will open general settings. To do that, let's tap on the three bars icon in the right upper corner and tap on settings. Right here we have to scroll all the way down to find Restore Defaults and tap on Restore. And basically we just got back to the camera, and here we've got our evidence that the reset option worked because our device is asking us about the access to the location, and this is the first option your device or permission your device will show you after opening the camera for the very first time. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.